In today's quick tip, I'll show you how to change the canvas color in your Canva video editor project. This is perfect if you want to switch up the background to match your brand or just give your video a different feel. Here's how to do it. First, open your video project, then click on any empty area of the canvas to make sure you've selected the background layer, not a text or image element. Once selected, you'll see a color tile pop up at the top of your screen. Click on it to bring up the full color palette. From here, you can choose a default color or use the color picker to enter a custom hex code if you want a specific shade. As soon as you pick your color, the canvas updates instantly, and that's it. You've changed your canvas color in just a few clicks. Super simple and a great way to personalize your video background. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tips.